Hi, my name is Brian Howard from Remax House of Real Estate. Thanks for tuning into my video blog today. My question today is, well, would you hire an experienced agent or an inexperienced agent? And that's really the question. So there was a recent research done and some numbers that came out of this study. What we found out is that experienced agents sell 12% more homes than the inexperienced agent. I was actually surprised the number was that low. But the bigger number here is experienced agent will sell a home for 32% more money than an inexperienced agent. So that's kind of a more interesting stat. Why is this? Well, number one, experienced agents know more. They have a lot of experience, so they have a ability to structure an offer or a listing. Get the staging right, get the marketing right, make the home very appealing to a buyer, emotions. There's a lot of things that will help sell a home. And then an experienced agent will basically have a system in place and have lots of contacts in the industry to help them get the home marketed and sold. Again, just knowing more. Basically, experienced agent will have more confidence. So the confidence in the marketing of the property, as well as the confidence in knowing when's a good time to best price and put the home on the market, and combining that with marketing strategies that will basically get your home sold with the least amount of inconvenience and at the most money. And finally, an experienced agent will be able to advise you of many of the changes that will happen with you and your family and your housing needs. Experienced agents, of course, tend to be older than the younger agents, the younger newbies, and will be able to just advise on housing needs. Having said that, of course, is the youngers always turn to older. That's what happens, and so that, as opposed to the younger agents viewing older agents as a force and big competition, they should probably view us as somebody who's maybe looking to get experience from. So that's my video blog for today. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions on the real estate market or know somebody looking to make a move, please forward this video along to them, or please do call me on my cell phone at 403-589-0004, or visit my website again, thehowardteam.net, or shoot me an email, brian@thehowardteam.net. Thank you.